chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-90s. West winds. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lancaster County in central South Carolina, Chesterfield County in central South Carolina, northeastern Kershaw County in central South Carolina, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kershaw, or 15 miles southeast of Lancaster, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cheraw, Pageland, Kershaw, Chesterfield, Westville, Cheraw State Park, Northeastern Technical College, Cheraw Municipal Airport, Carolina Sand Hills Wildlife Refuge, Montana Pisgah, McBee, Jefferson, Ruby, Patrick, Mount Croghan, Chesterfield Ruby Middle School, Cheraw Fish Hatchery, Middendorf, Central High School, and High Point Fire Station. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. And now taking a look at the forecast for Florence and the surrounding area.